Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Z-hoop in Creality Print. So first what we are going to do is open your model in Creality Print and look at the settings panel on the right side of the screen. Alright, now at the top of the right panel look for a small toggle switch or slider icon labeled as Advanced. So you can see it right over here. Click it to turn it on. So like so and like that. Okay. Now you see that we have bunch of options right now here in this right side menu. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we will jump here. So because different filaments need different Z-hoop heights, Creality looks these settings behind your material profile. So what we are going to do is look at the right hand panel where your material is listed, or the left right panel. So I have it right here, Creality, and I will click on this pencil. Now this large settings window will pop up. Look at the left sidebar of that window and select here. I have this extruder one right over here. And now if we scroll down a little bit, you will see Z-hop when retract. So we have Z-hop when retracting and Z-hop type. Yeah, check the box to enable it, change the height value, uh, and yeah, uh, only leave Z above. Okay, so yeah, here you can adjust retracting and Z hop type, so you can change to normal or slope or spiral. So normal is like the nozzle goes straight up, and spiral or slope, the nozzle moves up in a smooth diagonal curve. This is highly recommended because it prevents stringing and blobs from forming during the lift. So we can put something like that right here, and then save as. Okay. And yeah, this is basically how we enable this Z-hop. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next